What if I told you that your favourite superheroes could help solve climate change? Sounds wild, but hear me out. Science tells us facts alone rarely change minds, but stories can. And when the right stories take hold, they can shift norms and societies. Think about how the Queen's Gambit sent chessboards flying off the shelves, or how Captain Planet inspired a generation to think about the environment. Even subtle moments can shift us, like when our favourite Sex and the City girls go plant-based. Research shows it might just nudge you to do the same. It works because we're wired to follow social cues. So what if we use that same power to make energy-efficient homes the norm? Australia has some of the least energy-efficient homes in the developed world. We have the tech, solar panels, heat pumps, but adoption is slow. At CSIRO, we're helping to change that. We are using behavioural science and mass media to inspire real change. From designing and evaluating mainstream renovation TV shows to advising on documentaries and reality TV, we are working to incorporate sustainability messaging into fresh new content, as well as the entertainment people already love and watch. Through role models, relatable stories, and emotional connection, we're helping to make sustainability normal, desirable, and achievable, because the world needs climate action fast. And a new approach is taking shape, where science meets storytelling to make sustainable living the new norm, not the niche.